Sir, do we know what's the wisdom behind the creation po ng Task Force Philippines between the Philippines and the United States?
Because it is basically it's organizing ourselves into a more cohesive unit in terms of the protection of the freedom of navigation in the South China Sea, the West Philippine Sea for us. So yun lang naman yun. Because it's members of the military, you know, they have to establish procedure so as to be able to operate together. And iba yung participants ngayon. Iba yung vessels na pinadala ng Amerika, iba yung gagamitin ng Navy natin. So we have to put together a new structure to make maximum use of the time that we are doing these exercises.
Sir, quick follow-up lang po. How will this new task force be different sa iba pa po nating partnership with the US? And do you see this as a mechanism that will ease the tension and aggressive actions of China in the West Philippine Sea?
Well, at the very least, what is the difference is because the vessels are different. So, you know, may carrier group, merong tayo rin, meron sila ano. So we have to learn how to work with a different set of parameters, military parameters, and that was the basic difference. It will not lower. It will not. It will. I hope it will lower the tensions in West Philippines. It will certainly not heighten them because it's not something new. Wala namang bagong ginagawa. Nagkaka-heightening lang of tension kapag may sumubok ng bago. Dahil yung dati hindi ginagawa, bigla na lang gagawin. Yun, magkaka-tension. And that's not what's going to happen here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.